of shares. In this topic, we will now study about share certificate. Share certificate. Share certificate is a document issued by a company whenever it allots shares. Let us study about this document in detail. A document that is given to a person, an investor, when he is allotted shares. It is a registered document issued by a company as a proof or evidence of shares. Whenever a person is allotted shares, he is then given a document as a proof that is known as a share certificate. It is considered as a prima facie evidence, that is one of the prime or most important proof of shares. This can be utilized as a proof as and when it is going to be required to prove that he is a shareholder of the company, or the company wants to inform that such a document has been issued against the shares allotted. It is issued under the common seal of the company. It is signed by at least 2 directors authorized by the board of directors. It is also signed by the secretary of the company. It is known as the counter signature of the secretary. It is to inform that it has been observed and the document has been gone through and all the information given in it is correct. It has to be compulsorily given to all the allottees or the transferees. So, whenever the company is allotting shares or whenever the company has transferred the shares from one shareholder to another, this document has to be given. It is issued on fully or partly paid shares. So, this document has to be given irrelevant as to what amount on shares has been received from the company. It has to be issued by public limited company and private limited company. Means that this share certificate has to be issued by all the companies which are issuing shares. Now, let us study what are the contents of share certificate. We will be studying the share certificate as per the form SH1 as per Companies Share Capital and Debentures Rules 2014. This is the format of the share certificate. We will now study what are the contents of the share certificate. Name of the company, CIN, registered office address. We then have the folio number, that is the page number on which the shares are mentioned in the register of members. Share certificate number. Every share certificate has a number. The name of the member, that is as to who is the member who has purchased these shares. Nature of shares, that is the type of shares, whether equity or preference. Number of shares, that is the number of shares that he has purchased, and the distinctive number of the shares. Distinctive number refers to the number that is given to each share. So, what is the number of shares he has purchased? Based on that, we have the distinctive number of those shares. The amount paid on shares, whether it is fully paid or partly paid. The common seal, if any, and signature of 2 directors and company secretary. These are the various formats of share certificates. The formats of the share certificate differs based on the company, but the contents cannot be changed as per the company's requirements. The contents of the share certificates have to remain the same. Let us now study the issue of share certificates as to whom it is given and when it has to be given. It is given to the subscribers of the Memorandum of Association, that is the promoters, and so this has to be given within 2 months from the date of incorporation of the company. It has to be given within 2 months from the date of allotment when investors are investing in the company and the shares are allotted to them. Whenever there is a transfer of shares, that is to the transferee in case of transfer of shares and to the legal representatives in case of transmission of shares. In such a situation, the share certificates have to be given within 1 month from the date of receipt of instrument transfer or intimation of transmission. For listed companies, share certificate should be issued within 15 days from the date of receipt of transfer receipt. Duplicate share certificate. Duplicate share certificate is issued by the company to the shareholder or the member whenever the shareholder has lost or damaged the original share certificate. A share certificate is issued by the shareholder to certain reasons by that company. A company issues duplicate share certificate due to the following reasons. The original share certificate is defaced, that is, there is some sort of scribbling or drawing or written on the original share certificate, or it might be mutilated, that is damaged due to fire or water. And such a certificate, in whatever situation, whatever condition, it has to be surrendered to the company. The share certificate might be lost or destroyed by the shareholder. This has to be proved by the shareholder. That is, he has lost the share certificate. Maybe he can inform the police and he can get a copy of the FIR, and this he can show it to the company. In case of loss, notice is put up in the newspaper by the company. This is a notice. A format of the notice is being shown over here, which is indicating that the share certificate has been lost or it has been stolen. Such a public notice has to be given in the newspapers by the company. If no response within a stipulated time is received, then the company issues new share certificate. It has to be issued within 3 months from the date of application. This is given only to the registered shareholders of the company. Registered shareholders are those shareholders whose names and information related to the shares is entered in a book which is known as the Register of Members. The word duplicate share certificate is written across the share certificate. So this indicates that the person does not have the original share certificate and a duplicate share certificate has been issued to him at his request. Heavy penalty is charged if the company issues with an intention of fraud. So, if the company has issued the share certificate and the company is aware that the original share certificate is still there, the company might have to face serious penalty charges.